My name is Missy, and I'm coming to you from Mommy and Me's Portrait Studios in Chester, Virginia. And you've joined us for our Kid Video series, where we come to create, imagine, and discover. So today, we're going to continue some of the things that I like, which is reusing some of the things in our house. So toilet paper rolls. Who knew toilet paper was going to be such a thing during this pandemic? But it was. So we've been saving our rolls, and we've been collecting our rolls to do some projects, and this is one of them. So today we're going to make a flashlight filter. This is a great in the dark game with kids, and it can be from all ages. So we're going to need a few items before we get started. Of course, toilet paper rolls, and the more the merrier. It's awesome. I'm going to paint my toilet paper roll so that it doesn't come out so it's not so brown. It also helps it with being a little bit more stiff and easy to handle so it doesn't crush quite as easy in little kids' hands. So of course, if you want paint, you'll need that. And sponge is much better than a brush. That's what I have found, just my recommendation. You'll need some sort of sticker type glue to help you with what you're doing. We're using punches today, but the alternative would be like the foam stickers would be great because you just peel them and stick them. Unfortunately, when I went to the store, I couldn't find foam stickers. So I'm using punches today, which just works. Little tiny rubber bands, these are like little hair rubber bands. You can use regular rubber bands. This is just nice because it's just to put on once, not have to wrap. Scissors, and of course flashlights, and then sandwich baggies is what we're going to use today. You can also use cellophane if that's what you want, but cellophane doesn't quite wrap around the toilet paper rolls quite as nice as these baggies will do. So let's start. We're going to start by painting our toilet paper roll. So painting this makes it nicer and a little bit more personalized so that they can put their specific shapes on different colors and know what they are right away from their filters. So now that that's painted, we're going to let that dry. And we're going to grab one of our dry ones, and we're going to grab a plastic baggie. Okay, and we're going to take our scissors, and you can see the fold line here where it's at. We're going to actually cut right at that line. The only reason we do this is so you don't have so much baggie around your filter. Off to the side. And we're going to put this and cover it right over the end, just like that. And you want it nice and taut, so nice and tight. And we're going to take a rubber band, put it on top, just like that. So there's a couple things that we found with the punches. The smaller punches, so we actually started, it's hard to see, but this is a little tiny frog, and I was super excited about the idea of having the frog. The problem is it's too small. So you do need to have a good size, good shape object to put on there. And the foam stickers are a little bit thicker, so they just give you a little bit more of a depth and more detail on your wall. So I'm going to use this nifty little sticker glue tape type item. And I'm just going to go on it so it's good and sticky. So it makes it like a sticker. Now I'm going to put it right on the center of that. Again, making sure it's stuck well and making sure that the plastic is taut. Then all you have to do is stick your flashlight in. And you've got a shape. Got a nice little shape there. Now, so we can use, we've got a snowflake and I've got a heart, so that was super quick to make. Let's go ahead and just quickly make another one. So then this one, we have a heart shape. Wow. Nice little heart shape. So when you get to have when the kids have a sleepover, they can create their filters and have their flashlight and have some fun. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click that little bell down there so you get the notifications. Also follow us on Facebook at Mommy and Me Studios. And check out our website, mommyandmestudios.com. And we'll see you later for the next kid video series. Bye!